Good morning students, welcome back to Mudra classes. Today in this session I am going to explain you question number 8 from admission of a partner intermediate second year. Okay, let's see the question. What is given in the question? Ganga and Yamuna are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So who are partners Nana here? In this question Ganga and Yamuna are partners. So they are sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, and their balance sheet also given. On below that balance sheet, on the above date they decided to admit Saraswati as a new partner. Who is the new partner Nana in this problem? In this problem new partner is Saraswati, and Saraswati is getting 2/9 share in the profits of the business. Their conditions, what are the conditions? Let's see. Saraswati should bring 50,000 as a capital, so new partner is bringing 50,000 as a capital, and she also bringing 20,000 as a goodwill. Okay, land and buildings be appreciated by 20% said, so tick the land and buildings. Furniture be depreciated by 5% said, tick the furniture. There is an unrecorded investment value 3,000 to be brought into books, so we will write directly no, not their investment. Unrecorded investments means what beta? We invested somewhere amount, but we forgot to enter in the books. మనం ఒక దగ్గర డబుల్ ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేసాం కానీ అవి బుక్స్లో ఎంటర్ చేయడం మర్చిపోయాం. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ అన్రికార్డెడ్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్స్. ఓకే, మనం ఒక దగ్గర ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేసాము కానీ ఇక్కడ రికార్డ్ చేయడం మర్చిపోయాము. we invested somewhere and we forgot to enter in the books. And goodwill will be retained in the business. Very important word, retained. Retained means it is nothing but case 2 beta. Retained means it is a case 2. Remember, whenever retained given, goodwill will be retained said. See, I will write here retained. Whenever retained given, that is case 2 in the goodwill. Already I given to you cases, treatment of a goodwill videos. In treatment of a goodwill videos, in introduction I given to you total 5 cases. What are the 5 cases we have? In that, this is a case 2 problem. This is a case 2 problem. In case 2 problems, 2 journal entries will come. Already we've done previous problems we have to do, but in this problem you have one more new point, that is here new profit sharing ratio of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati is given 4:3:2. So in previous problem we not got this type of point. This is the new point in this question. So in this question you have to learn new thing, that is point number E. Point number E, how to do, especially new profit sharing ratio of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati given. So see, if this point is not given in the question, what happened? Goodwill we are distributing in the 3:2 ratio, because when new ratio is not given in the question, old ratio only sacrificing ratio. Old ratio only what beta? Sacrificing ratio. Actually in case 2 of goodwill, we had to distribute goodwill to old partners in sacrificing ratio. When this new ratio is not given, this old ratio only sacrificing ratio. చెప్పింది అర్థమవుతుందా నాన్న? క్వశ్చన్లో ఈ న్యూ పార్ట్నర్ షేరింగ్ రేషియో ఆఫ్ గంగా, యమున, సరస్వతి 4:3:2 ఇవ్వలేదనుకో, అప్పుడు ఈ ఓల్డ్ రేషియో ఏదైతే ఇచ్చాడో 3:2, అదే సాక్రిఫైజింగ్ రేషియో. సాక్రిఫైజింగ్ రేషియో అంటే అర్థమైంది సార్, కొత్త పార్ట్నర్ వచ్చి బిజినెస్లోకి జాయిన్ అవుతున్నందుకు పాత పార్ట్నర్లు ఎంత త్యాగం చేస్తున్నారు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇంతకుముందు గంగా, యమున ఇద్దరు కలిసి బిజినెస్ చేస్తుండే, అప్పుడు 100 రూపీస్ ప్రాఫిట్ వస్తే 100 రూపీస్ గంగా, యముననే పంచుకునే వాళ్ళు. కానీ ఇప్పుడు సరస్వతి వచ్చి బిజినెస్లో జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత ఈ 100 రూపీస్ ముగ్గురు పార్ట్నర్లు పంచుకోవాలి. అంటే ఇంతకుముందు ఇద్దరే పంచుకునే వాళ్ళు, ఇప్పటి నుండి ముగ్గురు పంచుకోవాలి. అంటే వీళ్ళిద్దరు ఎంతో అంత త్యాగం చేస్తున్నారు. దాన్నే సాక్రిఫైసింగ్ రేషియో అంటారు. అర్థమవుతుందా? సో ప్రీవియస్లీ 2 partners, Ganga, Yamuna only sharing the entire profit beta, but for example if the business got 100 rupees profit, only Ganga, Yamuna sharing previously, but now onwards new partner Saraswati is joined, so now 3 partners are sharing that 100 rupees. That means old partners Ganga and Yamuna are sacrificing something. Okay, so if the new ratio is not given in the question, then old ratio is also sacrificing ratio. But when the new ratio is given, we have to calculate sacrificing ratio. Question లో ఎప్పుడైతే న్యూ రేషియో అనేది ఇస్తాడో అలాంటి సందర్భంలో మనం సాక్రిఫైజింగ్ రేషియో కనుక్కోవాలి. సో నౌ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ బిఫోర్ డూయింగ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ we will find out the sacrificing ratio. Okay, so here I will write the formula. sacrificing ratio formula equals to old ratio minus new ratio. This is the formula beta. You have to remember sacrificing ratio is a old ratio minus new ratio. Okay. Now sacrificing ratio of SR I will write Nana. Now onwards I will write SR. Okay. Sacrificing ratio of Ganga, I think. What is the new partner name beta? Old partner's name Ganga and Yamuna. So sacrificing ratio of Ganga, first of all I will find out. Okay. After that we will find out sacrificing ratio of Yamuna. Right. Let's see. First of all, what is the old ratio of Ganga and Yamuna beta? 3:2. So I will write that one. Here I will write Ganga and Yamuna 3:2. What is this old ratio? OR means old ratio. Okay. Then new profit sharing ratio. NPSR means new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio how much given? 4:3:2. That means 4 is belonging to Ganga and 3 is belonging to Yamuna and 2 is belonging to Saraswati. Let's see here. I will show you in the question. Here 4:3:2 given. So first name belongs to first number is belonging to first name, second number is belonging to second name, third number is belonging to third name. So new profit sharing ratio of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati is 4:3, 4:3:2. So that one only I written here. NPSR means nothing but new profit sharing ratio. Okay, and old ratio means GY 3:2. Maybe you are not able to see. Just I will change the I will move the camera so that you can understand clearly. I think now you are able to see clearly. So here GY given Anna Ganga Yamuna old ratio is 3:2 and new profit sharing ratio of Ganga Yamuna Saraswati is 4:3:2. Now we have to find out sacrificing ratio. How to find out? Sacrificing ratio of Ganga. Ganga old ratio how much beta? 3. So write down here 3 divided by 3 plus 2 how much? 5. So divided by 5 we have to write. Okay. Minus what is the new ratio of Ganga? New ratio of Ganga how much beta? 4. New ratio of Ganga how much? 4. So write down here 4 divided by 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 9 divided by 9. Okay. Now here 3 by 5 minus 4 by 9 we got. That means we have to calculate here for 5 and 9 we have to calculate LCM. 5 ki 9 ki LCM kanukovali. So in 4th class we learned this LCM how to do. I will do here. So 5 ones are 5, 9 as it is. 5 table 9 will come. So take 9. 9 ones are 9. Now LCM equals to 5 into 9. LCM equals to 5 into 9. 5 nines how much? 45. 5 nines how much beta? 45. So LCM is 45 here. LCM is 45. LCM is 45. So I will write here 45 as the LCM. Okay. Now numerators we will write as it is. What are the numerators here? Numerators ante ee line paina unnai. Okay na, కింద ఉన్న వాటిని డినామినేటర్స్ అంటారు, పైన ఉన్న వాటిని న్యూమరేటర్స్ అని అంటారు. సో above this number above numbers are called numerator beta, below numbers are called denominators. So this close this 5 and 9 numerators write as it is 3 minus 4 as it is I written. Okay. Now what is the denominator we have here? 5. Okay, in 5 table when will you come from 45? ఈ 5 table లో 45 ఎప్పుడు వస్తున్నానా? I will write here in 5 table when will you come 45? 5 nines are 45. So with this 9 you have to multiply numerator. Okay, now what is the denominator we have? 9. So in 9 table when will you come this LCM 45? 9 5s are 45. So with this 5 here numerator we have to multiply with 5. Okay, I hope you understand. Now let's see. Right. Now 3 nines are how much beta? 3 nines are 27 minus 4 fives are 20 divided by 45. Okay, 27 minus 20, 7 by 45. Okay, this is the answer we got. See, similarly, we have to calculate sacrificing ratio of Yamuna. Sacrificing ratio of Yamuna also we will calculate. Okay, let's see one time. Right. Here, sacrificing ratio of Yamuna. So, Yamuna old ratio how much beta? 2 divided by 3 plus 2, 5 minus new ratio of Yamuna. Yamuna new ratio is 3 divided by 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Okay. So, here also we have to do LCM for 5 and 9. So, we will get as it is 45. If you do LCM for 5 and 9, we will get 45 LCM. These numerators as it is you write 2 minus 3 as it is you write. Okay. Now, in 5 table, in denominator we have 5. So, in 5 table when will come 45? 5 nines are 45. So, with this 9 we have to multiply numerator. Now, here we have 9 in denominator place. In 9 table, when will come LCM 45? 9 5s are 45. With this 5, we have to multiply numerator. Okay. Now, 2 9s are 18 minus 3 5s are 15 divided by 45. Okay. Now 18 minus 15, 3 by 45, 3 by 45. So this is the final answer. This is the final answer. Now sacrificing ratio of Ganga and Yamuna equals to 7 by 45, 7 by 45 is to 3 by 45. So here denominators are same beta. So simply we have to take 7 is to 3. These numerators we have to take. So finally sacrificing ratio of Ganga and Yamuna equals to, sacrificing ratio of Ganga and Yamuna is equals to 7 is to 3. This is the final answer. That means now in this problem goodwill we have to share in 7 is to 3 ratio. In this problem goodwill we have to share in 7 is to 3 ratio. I hope you understand. Okay. Now I will draw the format. After drawing the format we will do the problem. Okay. I will draw here format beta. In new page I will draw the format. After drawing the format we will do the problem. Okay. Just stay in line. Now I completed format beta. Now we will do the problem. So you know very well these are the assets, these are the liabilities. So from where onwards we will start the problem beta? From balance sheet asset side onwards we will start the answer. So balance sheet asset side, what is the first item given? Cash. So this amount we will write in cash account as a opening balance. So come to the cash account. So this is the cash account. So I will write here. So cash account, we will write here opening balance to balance brought down. Okay. How much amount given, Anna? How much amount given? Cash balance. So 12,000 rupees given. So here we will write cash balance to opening balance as a 12,000 rupees. Okay. So balance sheet asset side answer ichana. So as it is manam cash ana ichadu, cash account lo opening balance ka raskunnam. Now see the next item in the question. Next item given debtors, and debtors we not have any adjustment Anna. So balance sheet, directly balance sheet asset side outer column debtors 38,000. So here we will write balance sheet asset side directly outer column debtors 38,000. No adjustment for debtors in this problem. Okay. Next item. Next item given in the question, stock. Stock how much given? 25,000. Stock as it is we have to write in balance sheet asset side. For stock we not have any adjustment. So balance sheet asset side outer column stock 25,000. Stock how much given Anna? 25,000. So write down here stock 25,000 directly outer column, no adjustment. Okay. Next one. Next item given furniture, we have adjustment. So write in inner column furniture 45,000, 40,000. So furniture, we have adjustment. So write in inner column. Debtors and stock we not have adjustment, but furniture we have adjustment. So we have to write in inner column. Let's see the next one. Next item given land and buildings 45,000. So we have adjustment. So write in inner column. So leave some place here for furniture. Leave some place, beta. Here you write land and buildings. Write in inner column 45,000. We have adjustment. Okay. Now see the next item. Balance sheet, asset side, all items completed. Now come to the liability side. Liability side, what we have here? We have here Ganga Capital and Yamuna Capital. So in partners, this is what is given here, capitals. That means in partners capital account, in Ganga account we have to write 60,000, Yamuna account we have to write 40,000. So open partners capital account, beta. So partners capital account, here we will write Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. Names we will write first. So here also we will write Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. That means one column belonging to one partner. Okay. So in this we will write credit side by balance brought down. Ganga brought 60,000 and Yamuna brought 40,000. Okay. Ganga capital is 60,000 and Yamuna capital is 40,000. Okay. Let's see next one. Saraswati should bring. What is the next item? General reserve given, Anna. Already I explained in previous classes. General reserve is belonging to old partners Ganga and Yamuna. We have to distribute to old partners in old profit sharing ratio 3:2. We have to distribute this general reserve 25,000. So in partners capital account we have to write, Nana. In partners capital account general reserve 25,000. So here I will explain for you. So first I will distribute to Ganga. Ganga equals to general reserve amount 25,000. Their ratio is 3:2. That means 3/5. Okay. 5 ones are 5, 5s are 5 3s are 15. 3 zeros are there, 3 zeros. So Ganga got 15,000. Then Yamuna watch general reserve 25,000. Yamuna ratio is 2. 2/5. 3 plus 2 5. 5 ones are 5, 5s are 5 2s are 10. So 10,000 rupees Yamuna. Okay. So like this we have to distribute, Nana. General reserve Ganga 15,000, Yamuna 10,000 rupees. So by general, GR means general reserve. So Ganga 15,000 and Yamuna 10,000 rupees. Okay. I hope you understand. Ganga 15,000, Yamuna 10,000 rupees. Okay. See the next one, beta. Right. Next item. Outstanding rent given, bills payable given, creditors given. As it is, you have to write in balance sheet liability side. Outstanding rent, bills payable, trade creditors. As it is, you have to write in balance sheet liability side. Okay. So in the answer, outstanding rent, bills payable, trade creditors. Okay. So balance sheet liability side, I will write here outstanding rent, outstanding rent 5,000 rupees given in the question. Next, bills payable given 10,000 rupees as it is liability side outside column. Next, creditors given, Anna. Next, creditors given 20,000 as it is, we have to write. Okay. So 3 items given in balance sheet liability side in the question, 3 items are written in the balance sheet liability side in the answer. Outstanding rent 5,000, bills payable 10,000, creditors 20,000. Let's see one time. So right, everything is correct. Right. Now with this balance sheet asset side all items completed. Now we have to see the adjustment one by one. First we will see the adjustment number A. Okay, na? Adjustment number A we will see. Saraswati should bring 50,000 as a capital. So new partner is bringing capital into the business, Anna. For that purpose, we will write this journal entry. Okay, cash account debit 50,000 to who is bringing, Nana? Saraswati, because Saraswati is a new partner. So Saraswati capital account. This is the journal entry will come. Okay, now we have to post this journal entry. Journal entry ఎందుకు వచ్చిందనా? సరస్వతి బిజినెస్లోకి క్యాపిటల్ తీసుకొని వచ్చింది, అందుకోసం ఈ జర్నల్ ఎంట్రీ వచ్చింది. వై దిస్ జర్నల్ ఎంట్రీ కేమ్ నానా? బికాస్ సరస్వతి బ్రాట్ క్యాపిటల్ ఇంటూ ద బిజినెస్. సో నౌ హౌ టు పోస్ట్ దిస్ వన్? సో రైట్ ఆన్ డెబిట్ సైడ్ క్యాష్ అకౌంట్ 50,000. రైట్ ఆన్ డెబిట్ సైడ్ cash account 50,000. So debit side cash account I written 50,000. Close this cash beta. What is opposite to Saraswati capital account? So write down here to Saraswati capital account. Okay, right. Now cash is on debit side. That means Saraswati capital is on which side beta? Credit side. So write in Saraswati capital account credit side 50,000. So where we have to write beta? Saraswati capital account credit side 50,000. Let's go to Saraswati capital account. So this is the Saraswati capital credit side. I written 50,000. Okay. Now close this Saraswati capital beta. What we have opposite? Cash. So here we have to write opposite 50,000. We have to write here cash by cash account by cash account. Okay, like this we have to write. So we up to here we completed beta. Saraswati should bring 50,000 as a capital. We completed up to here. Now remaining is there, and 20,000 goodwill, and 20,000 as goodwill said. But for goodwill what said here? Retained said. Goodwill is retained said. Here goodwill is retained said. That means for goodwill we'll get two journal entries, Nana. This is case 2. How I remember this is case 2? By seeing the word retained. By seeing the word retained, by seeing the word retained, I remember that this is a case 2 problem. Like that you also recognize. You also recognize by seeing the word case. By seeing the word retained, you have to recognize this is a case 2. So here clearly given. This is a retained given in the business. Retained goodwill will be retained in the business said. So in which ratio we have to distribute here? Sacrificing ratio. Just now we find out sacrificing ratio. I will show you. See, here we find out sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio of Ganga Yamuna. How much we got? 7:3. So in 7:3 ratio we have to distribute to goodwill, Nana. So here two journal entries will come. First of all I will write the journal entries for you. What are the two journal entries for goodwill? Let's see. First journal entry, new partner bringing goodwill into business. So this journal entry will come cash account debit 20,000 to goodwill account 20,000. Because new partner bringing capital into business, this journal entry will come amount 20,000 or not goodwill amount 20,000, right? Next journal entry, whatever goodwill brought by new partner that is shared by old partners. So next journal entry, goodwill account debit 20,000 to old partners. In this problem who are old partners? Ganga. So Ganga capital account. Next, who are old partners? Ganga after Yamuna. So Yamuna capital account. Okay, these 20,000 we have to distribute in a 7:3 ratios in sacrificing ratio. So first of all I will calculate Ganga, Nana. Ganga ratio how much beta here? 7:3 ratio said. So 20,000 we have to distribute divided by 7/10 we will get. See, I will write clearly here. Now I am distributing these 20,000 to Ganga. In which ratio we have to distribute? Sacrificing ratio. What is the sacrificing ratio? 7:3. That means this 7 is belonging to Ganga and 3 is belonging to Yamuna. So Ganga share how much beta? 7 divided by 7 plus 3 10. Okay, now do cancellation. 0 0 cancel. Okay, 2 into 7, 2 7s are 14. How many 3 zeros left? 3 zeros. So write down 14. So Ganga got 14,000. Okay, so 20,000 minus 14,000, how much? 6,000 rupees is belongings to Yamuna. So 14,000 is belongings to Ganga and 6,000 belongs to Yamuna. Now these journal entry we have to post into these two journal entries we have to post into the ledger accounts, so that adjustment number 2 also will complete. Now see how to write in cash account. This one I will write with another yellow marker, Nana, so that you can understand clearly. Write in cash account. Debit side 20,000, write in cash account. Debit side 20,000. This is the cash account. This is the debit side. I written 20,000. Okay. Close this cash beta. What is opposite to goodwill account? So write down here to goodwill account. This is also adjustment number A. Okay. And this is also adjustment number A. Now cash is on debit side. That means goodwill is on which side? Credit side. So write in goodwill account, credit side 20,000. Write in goodwill account, credit side 20,000. So this is the goodwill account, this is the credit side. I written 20,000. Okay. Now close this goodwill beta. What we have opposite? Cash. So write down cash here. So write down here cash. Opposite to this amount we have to write here cash by cash account. This is adjustment number A. Okay. Similarly, we have to post the second journal entry here. Write in goodwill account, debit side 20,000. Write in goodwill account, debit side 20,000. So where is goodwill account? Here. So goodwill account, debit side 20,000. I written. Okay. Now close this goodwill. Now close this goodwill. What we have opposite? Ganga Capital and Yamuna Capital. So in goodwill account, debit side we have to write Ganga and Yamuna. Okay. So here to G capital to Y capital. Okay. So G capital how much got beta? 14,000. Ganga got 14,000 goodwill. Yamuna got 6,000 rupees. If you add these two, we'll get 20,000. Okay. Now come to the next one. Next point. Goodwill is on debit side. That means Ganga and Yamuna is on which side? Credit side. So write in Ganga Capital, credit side 14,000. Write in Ganga Capital, credit side 14,000. Let's go to Partners Capital account. So this is the Partners Capital account. In Partners Capital account, Ganga Capital account, credit side 14,000. Okay. Similarly, Yamuna Capital, credit side 6,000. So this is Yamuna Capital, credit side 6,000 rupees. Okay. Now close this Ganga and Yamuna. What is opposite? Goodwill. So here you write down opposite this amount, you write down by goodwill account. Okay. Adjustment number A itself. Adjustment number A. Okay, with this first two journal entries, goodwill capital and goodwill account treatment of goodwill is completed. Now remaining we have to do in this problem. Land and building be appreciated by 20%. Said appreciated means increased. So now balance sheet asset side, land and building increased by 20% said. So add appreciation means increased, so we have to add 45,000 rupees into 20% said, that means 20 by 100. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. 4,500 into 2, that is 9,000 rupees. This 9,000 rupees we have to add here. Okay, then outer column will get 54,000. Okay, Nana, building value increased by 9,000 rupees. This is point number B beta. So building value, let's see one time, B or not. Adjustment number B only. Okay, right. Now here building value increased by 9,000 rupees, so it is a profit. So in revaluation account, credit side we have to got. If you got profit beta, write on credit side. So 9,000 rupees by buildings. If you got loss, then amount you write on debit side. If asset value increased, write on credit side. If asset value decreased, write on debit side otherwise. Okay. See the next one, next adjustment. Furniture be depreciated by 5% and stock by 10%. So here stock also we have adjustment beta. So stock we have to write in inner column. Furniture 5% depreciates said and stock 10% said. So balance sheet asset side, furniture value 5% said nana. So less depreciation. Depreciation means decreased in the value of an asset. So 40,000 మీద 5% అంటే 2,000 వస్తుందనా, outer column 38,000 వస్తుంది. How we got this 2,000? Let's see here. 40,000 rupees into 5% said. 5% means 5 by 100. 2 zeros cancel. 5 4s are 20. 2 zeros are there, 2 zeros, so 2,000 rupees we have to deduct. Okay, and here stock also we have adjustment beta. Stock also we have adjustment, but I written in outer column, so I will change this one. I will write here. So here I will write stock 25,000. I will write in inner column. On the stock we have 10% less depreciation, less depreciation 10% said. So 25,000 rupees. On 25,000 rupees 10% means 0 cancel, 0 cancel. Answer is 2,500. So this 2,500 we have to deduct here. So outer column will get 22,500. Okay, now this 2,000 rupees and 22,500 rupees is a adjust number C nana. This 2 is a loss to the business because furniture decreased, it is a loss. Stock decreased, it is a loss. So in revaluation account debit side we have to write furniture 2,000 and stock 2,500. So furniture value, stock value decreased, it is a loss. So in revaluation account debit side we have to write to furniture 2,000 rupees and to stock 2,500 rupees. Okay, I hope you understand. Next one. So next, see the next question. There is an unrecorded investment valued of 3,000 rupees. So మనం ఒక దగ్గర డబ్బులు ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేసాం, అది మర్చిపోయినాం నాన్న. సో ఇప్పుడు రాసుకోవాలి, ఇది మనకి అసెట్ అయిపోతుంది. సో బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ అసెట్ సైడ్ we have to write. In one place we invested money better, but we forgot. So now we are entering in the business. So investment 3,000 rupees. Okay, this investment now we forgot previously, now today we remembered. So it is an asset, it is a profit to the business. So in revaluation account credit side we will write. ఇంతకుముందు మనం డబ్బులు ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేసాం, మర్చిపోయినా, మీరు గుర్తొచ్చింది. సో అది మనకి అసెట్ అంటే అది మనకి ప్రాఫిట్ అవుతుంది. రివాల్యుయేషన్ అకౌంట్ క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ రాసుకోవాలి. బై ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ 3,000 rupees. Okay, and with this I think all items are completed in the question. So in the question all items are completed. Now we have to close the account one by one. So first we will close the revaluation account. Revaluation account, to see the credit side total 9 plus 3 12,000 rupees, and here 4,500 rupees. So in these two 12,000 big amount, both sides write the 12,000 amount. In revaluation account credit side total is 9,000, credit side total is 12,000 and debit side total is 4,500. So in these two credit is big amount, so both sides write credit amount, and 12,000 minus 4,500 7,500. This 7,500 is a profit we have to distribute to two partners in old ratio. Remember one thing nana, only goodwill we have to share in a sacrificing ratio. Remaining all items like general reserve, profit on revaluation, we have to transfer in a old ratio. So these 7,500 we have to transfer to old partners in which ratio? Old ratio. That one you have to remember. So now these 7,500 we have to distribute to Ganga. So Ganga 7,500 into Ganga ratio 3 divided by 5. 3 is to 2. Their old ratio how much, Nana? 3 is to 2. I will show you on the question. In the question, see their old ratio is 3 is to 2. Ganga and Yamuna old ratio is how much given on here? 3 is to 2. Okay, only here goodwill only we have to share, we have to transfer in sacrificing ratio beta. Only goodwill amount only we have to transfer in sacrificing ratio. Remaining all items we have to transfer in the which ratio? Which ratio beta? Old ratio. Okay, let's see the here. Let's see this 7,500 we have to distribute in 3 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 in 5 table, 5 15s are 75, 15 3s are 45. So 2 zeros left. So 4,500 got by Ganga, and Yamuna 7,500 into Yamuna ratio 2 by 5. 5 ones are 5 15s are 15 2s are 30. 2 zeros left. So one person got 4,500, another person got 3,000. So here we will write to G capital 4,500 and to Yamuna capital, okay, 3,000 rupees. If you add these two, you'll get 7,500. This is a profit beta. This profit we have to transfer to partners capital account credit side. So in partners capital account we have to write on credit side because that is a profit. So in partners capital account credit side we have to write, okay, 4,500 and 3,000 rupees. Okay, from where that this profit we got this profit from revaluation account beta. So write down here revaluation account. This 4,500 and 3,000 from where we got from revaluation account. So here you have to write revaluation account. Okay, now with this now we'll close goodwill account. Automatically it will close beta. Debit side we got 20,000, credit side also we got 20,000. So automatically goodwill account will close. Now see the next item. So now we have to close the partners capital account. Okay, so partners capital account, do the credit side total 60 plus 15 75, 75 plus 79 89 93,500. So as it is write down here 93,500 93,500 93,500. Okay, now close the Yamuna account 40 plus 10 50, 59,000 rupees. So as it is write down here 59,000 rupees. So 59,000 rupees. Okay, now Saraswati total is 50,000 rupees. So 50,000 rupees. So 50,000 rupees. Okay, this is called to balance carried down. This is called what beta? To balance carried down. We will write this one in the balance sheet asset side. This one we will write in the balance sheet liability side beta. In balance sheet liability side we will write like this: capitals of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. Okay, so Yamuna amount is 59,000. Okay, and Saraswati is 50,000 I think, and Ganga amount how much? Let's see one time. So 59 50 93,500. So Ganga amount is 93,500. Okay, now we have to close the cash account beta here. Now we have to close the cash account. 50 plus 20 70 82,000. So same amount we have to write here 82,000. Same amount we will write here 82,000. Now we have to close the account by balance carried on. Okay, these balance once again we will write in the balance sheet asset side. These one more time where we will write, Nana? So these 82,000 we have to write in the balance sheet asset side. So in balance sheet asset side we have to write, Nana, here cash balance. How much we got cash balance? 82,000. So balance sheet asset side we have to write cash balance 82,000. Okay, now we have to do the total beta. Now we have to do the total. If you get the same answer both side, then it is correct. Okay, now do the total both side, asset side and liability side, do the total, how much we are getting, let's see. 82 plus 3 85. Okay, so otherwise one by one, well, let's see. First column 0, second one 0, third one 5, 5, fourth one 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 7, 11, 11, 19, 19, 27, 7 plus 2 carry. Okay, 10, 10, 11, 12, 12, 17, 17, 17, 20, 23. So 2,37,500 we got, Nana. So you check liability side also, you will get the same answer. Okay, so like this we have to do the problem better. The see, previous problems also we done, Nana. Case 2 problems previously also we done. So what is the special point in this problem? You have to highlight in your textbook. So in this problem, what is the difficult compared to previous problem and this problem? The only difference is in this problem goodwill is given. In this problem goodwill is given as a retained, Nana. This is important, and new profit sharing ratio is given. Here important profit point is new profit sharing ratio is given. So here goodwill will distribute not in the 3:2 ratio, we will distribute in sacrificing ratio, we will find out, and in sacrificing ratio we got 7:3. So in 7:3 ratio we have to distribute goodwill. That is the only difference, remaining all same as it is. Okay, so do practice. Don't forget, in every video I am telling you, simply watching the video is not important. You after watching the video you have to do practice without seeing the answer. Keep in front of your question, take one rough notes, take one paper, take one pen and do practice with your own. Wherever you get wherever you are getting doubts, that time you watch the video. Like that you have to do practice, then definitely you are able to get 20 out of 20 in the final exam. Okay, with this I am going to closing this session. Okay, thank you.